Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix CPU usage and boost your FPS as well, so it's gonna make your computer run faster and you can play games way better than before. Please, if you enjoy the video, hit like button and subscribe the channel. Let's start. So with first one is gonna be go to setting. On setting, just type here notification, action settings, and take this one off. Get tips tricks is not useful, so you no need it. Just take this one off, and if you scroll down you will find the apps you're gonna receive the notification from. So if you find any apps you no need to receive any notification on, just turn it off. This is first one. Then go to type and search here again, then type edit plan power, and on plan power just go to change advanced power setting, and here if it's not on high performance, just put that on high performance active. After you finish, click apply and OK, then X. Then third step is gonna be go here and click right, then go to device manager. On device manager go to system devices. From system devices we're gonna look to a high precision event timer, then click right, then disable the high precision timer. And last step for us today is gonna be go to task manager. On task manager go to startup, processor, and on startup you will find all the apps they're running through your computer. So if you no need some of them, just disable. That's gonna help you to boost your processor. And after you're done, go to processors, performance. You will see your CPU usage is very less than before. Please, if you enjoyed the video and learned something new, hopefully this video helped you, hit like button and subscribe the channel. See you on next video.